Hello, my friends. Today we are talking about the tornado in the American states Texas, Oklahoma, Texas, and Arkansas at Friday. What happened in that state? At least one dead and multiple people missing in Oklahoma after more than a dozen tornadoes hit three states of the America. So damaging homes, knocking out power for thousands as official launch search and rescue efforts. The person who died was in McCurtain County in southeastern Oklahoma, which suffered significant storm damage after a possible tornado hit the city of Idabel County. Emerging manager Cody suffered significant storm damage after possible tornado hit the city of Idabela County, emergency manager Cody. There are multiple missing peoples. Late Friday, authorities were trying to determine the extent of damages and injuries, McDaniel said. In Texas, near the state's border with Oklahoma, at least 50 homes were damaged and destroyed in Lamar County as of Friday evening, the sheriff official. Tornado warnings were in effect in Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, and Missouri Friday night, meaning tornadoes were reported to be on the ground or indicated by weather radar. The Weather Service recommends residents in warning areas to move to a safe like a basement or interior room. A preliminary accounting Friday evening from the National Weather Service Storm Prediction Center shows 9 tornadoes formed in Texas, 4 in Arkansas and 1 in Oklahoma. Overnight tornadoes can be particularly dangerous because they can be hard to see as they move quickly through an area, and it's also more challenging to ensure residents are warned during those during those hours. Plus, more than 90,000 homes and businesses were without power across Arkansas, Louisiana, southeastern Oklahoma, and eastern Texas as of early Saturday, according to power outage. Most of the Texas tornadoes reportedly occurred along the Red River border with Oklahoma, with widespread damage reported in two countries. The National Weather Service confirmed late Friday that a tornado moving 45 meters per hour was detected over the city of Whitsville in Pulaski County, Arkansas, just south of Little Rock. The number of tornadoes recorded will likely increase in Saturday, and the intensity of each one will not be known until local National Weather Service officials uh, conduct damage surveys, which maybe take several days. Tornado and severe thunderstorm watches for the region lasted until early Saturday morning. You can see in that picture how houses are damaged and street roads are damaged. Texas County declares disaster. Lamar County, Lamar County official declared a disaster after at least 10 people were injured when a tornado tore through the area, according to a news release from the county sheriff's office. No deaths have been reported. Two of those injured suffered critical injuries, the official said. Early Friday, the first responder was injured during the storm in the country and underwent surgery. County Constable Stephen Hill. There has been quite a bit of damage and some injuries, Lamar County Constable Travis wrote. Nearby Hopkins County, at least four houses were damaged, according to the county's sheriff. Woman in Choctaw County, Oklahoma, was injured by a falling tree as she was trying to get to a storm shelter. A volunteer at the Choctaw Office of Emergency Management told its nuclear weather a tornado had occurred in that area. Oklahoma Governor Kevin said he is praying for those impacted by the tornadoes. Search and rescue team and generators forwarded to the Idabel area. He said a storm hit in Bryan, uh, Choctaw, and Leflore counties, among other additional flash flooding in some areas. Oklahoma Department of Emergency Management and Homeland Security is urging residents to report storm damage online to help coordinate their response. So that's news of the Texas American state. If you need any other news about our channel, you can subscribe our channel and hit the like button and comment us. Thank you for watching my video, and I will meet with any other video in next time. Thank you.